Hey designers, welcome to Pencila. We're super excited to have you here. In this getting started video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the application, use our powerful AI tools, design with one of our stunning templates, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to design a t-shirt completely from scratch, so let's jump into it. So when you first get into the application, you're going to land on our templates area. This is where you can browse through all our different template categories. We have templates for absolutely everything: social, marketing, print. And if you scroll down, all you have to do is just select a template that you like and hit customize this template. And it will open up this template in our editor. To the left, this is our create area. If you want to create a blank file from scratch, you could just select from a bunch of preset sizes. And this is your projects area. Your projects will automatically save every minute, so you don't have to worry about saving at all with our application, but there's also an option to force save your file. So now I'm going to jump into creating a custom size. On the top right corner, you could create a custom size file, and to the left of here, these are all our presets. So for example, I'm just going to select t-shirt and hit create design. Now this brings you to the Pencila editor. On the right side, templates will automatically be opened up. You could also access templates from up here by clicking templates. To the right of this is your text. So if you want to add text to a canvas, you just simply, or any element, you just simply click it and it will add to the canvas. To the right of this, these are your elements. So you could add simple shapes like squares, circles. These are your clipping masks. And our designers have created tons and tons of stunning elements that you could choose from. To the right of this, these are your images. So we have tons and tons of stock photography that you can browse, and we have it all set up by categories. So you just click a category and you can find different stock photography for that. To the right of this, these are your uploads. So whatever you upload will appear here, and you can upload an image just by dragging and dropping it directly into the application. And it will also show all your AI image downloads and your AI graphics here. Up here, this is square, so you could just drag and drop a square, or you could drag and drop a circle, or you could drag and drop a triangle. And this is a line, so if you want to draw a line, it's just as easy as that. To the right of this is Pencila's AI image and graphic generator, so you could generate photorealistic images, but you could also generate graphics and vector graphics, which you could change the colors of. Up here to the left, this is where you name your project, so I could just name it demo. And then to the left of this is where you could save your project, create a new project, duplicate your project, save your template for personal use, or publish your template to our main gallery. And if you just want to quickly save, you can just click this icon and it will save your project. To the left of here, this is the create area. I showed this in the previous section. You could just click this to quickly get to it, or if you quickly want to get to our templates area, you could just click this, or if you quickly want to get to your projects, just click this. At the bottom left here, this is Pencila, your personal assistant. If you ever need any design inspiration, t-shirt ideas, just ask Pencila and Pencila will give you amazing design ideas. Up here, this is download, so you could just download your file once you're happy with it. Obviously, this is not the prettiest design, so I'm not going to download it. To the left of this is your share area, so if you want to share your project on social media, you could just click the social media channel and then share it very easily. And at the bottom, these are also your project colors, so they will appear here. And if you click this is color palettes, so you can use different color palettes to change your designs. At the bottom center, this is the zoom, so you can hit this plus symbol to zoom in and out, and this is your edit undo, but we also have keyboard shortcuts that you can use. Now, if you want to extend the artboard and the height of it, you just click the artboard and you could just drag this. It's that easy. If you want to add a new artboard, just hit add new artboard and it will just simply add a new artboard. We have an infinite canvas, so it's very, very awesome when designing. When you click the artboard name, you're going to notice that these options appear on the right. So if you want to change the background color of the artboard, it's that easy. And you could also add overlay and add a background image. And that's the end of the navigation tour. Okay, so now we're going to see the most powerful part of Pencila, our stunning templates. So to design a template is super easy. You just select it, you hit customize this template. Now I'm just going to make a few modifications, as I do not want this tutorial to be too long. So I'm just going to change this to say Octopia, and I'm going to change this to say unlocked. As you can see, everything is fully editable in this template. Unleash the beast. just gonna delete that because I don't want it. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna grab this, shrink it, rotate it. Just put it right there. And you can change everything from colors to fonts, whatever you please. I'm just gonna make it white. And there you go. You have a completely new design from an existing template. Now, once you're happy with it, all you have to do is hit download and you're done. So what really sets Pencila apart is our awesome AI tools. So in the top right here, this is our photo and image generators. And we have one of the most photorealistic image generators I've ever seen. So I'm gonna say a fashion woman in the desert. And I'm just gonna hit realistic and watch this. Look at that. You can't even tell the difference that this is not a real photo. Unbelievable. Okay, next. I'm gonna go back into our generator and I'm gonna generate a graphic. So I'm just gonna say a blueberry. Now these graphics are absolutely amazing when you're designing apparel and t-shirts. They help elevate your designs instantly. Look at how cute that blueberry is. That's absolutely stunning. Next, I'm going to show you our vector graphics. So I just want to draw a tiger. All our vector graphics, you can actually change the colors of them. Tiger. And I'm going to generate a detailed drawing. And watch this. Look at that. You have an amazing tiger face ready to edit. And I'm going to change the color to red. Done. Unbelievable. Okay, next we have image AI tools. So I'm just going to select an image and I just want to extend the background of an image to show you our background extender. Okay, so I'm going to extend this image. If you click Smart Image Extender and you turn this on, you could then adjust the transformer. And I'm just going to hit Extend Image. Wow, you can't even tell the difference. That's unbelievable. Okay, next tool I'm gonna go into is our Smart Background Remover. So I'm gonna grab another image and say I wanna remove the background of the sunflower. You just click Smart Background Remover and you could actually move it from object to people. So if it's a model, you wanna go people. If it's just an object, you go with object. So I'm gonna stick with object, hit Remove Background. And just like that, you no longer need to trace images. So easy. Next, I'm going to go into our quality enhancer. So I'm just going to select an image. And I'm actually going to copy this image so you can see the enhanced quality. And I'm just going to scroll down to quality enhancer. And all you have to do is just hit enhance quality. This is really good if you have pixelated images and you want the quality to be much better. And there you go. Look at how much sharper this image is in comparison to this. And the last tool I'm going to show you guys is our image vectorizer, our #1 most used tool when designing apparel and t-shirts. So I'm just going to grab a graphic. I'm going to go into our graphic sets and I'm going to grab this hat. Okay, now I want to change the colors of this graphic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to vectorize this image. So I'm going to say maybe 7 colors and hit vectorize image. Now watch what happens. Colors are going to appear in the right menu. And now I could fully change all of the colors. Look at this. Unbelievable. And that's our image vectorizer. If you ever want to change colors of something and you don't have the capability to do so, just vectorize the image and you could change the colors. And I just want to mention one thing in the bottom left corner. This is Pencila, your AI assistant. So if you need any t-shirt inspiration, give me 10 t-shirt ideas for a coffee shirt. Pencila is here to help you out. I'm going to design a shirt from scratch and show you how easy it is to design anything in Pencila. So the first thing I want to do is I want a taller shirt, so I'm going to stretch the artboard a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to change the color of the artboard to a dark black. There we go, I like that. Now I need a cool graphic for my shirt. I kind of want a skull with flowers. So I'm going to go to our AI graphic generator and I'm going to say skull with flowers. And I am going to click our tattoo style. And hit generate. Wow, that looks really cool. So I'm just gonna add that to the artboard, and I'm just gonna put that aside for now. Next, I'm gonna add some text. So I need to get some ideas, so I'm gonna ask Pencila, me 10 one word ideas for a skull shirt. Savage, love it. Okay, so you just click it and you actually copy it. How cool is that? Next, I'm gonna add some text. And I just wanna say savage, so I'm just gonna paste it in here. There we go. I want it all capitals, so I'm just gonna hit this double T. Everything's capitals. And I'm just gonna increase the size of that. Now I want a better font, so I'm gonna go to our graphic fonts, and I'm actually gonna go to our fashion fonts. I'm gonna select Belarus. I really like how that goes with this style. And I'm gonna increase the size a bit and just move it to the center. I'm just gonna hit align, and it'll center align perfectly with the artboard. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste this multiple times. Okay, I'm just gonna grab all of these. I'm gonna move them here. I also want to shrink them together. I would say somewhere around there. Okay, next I'm gonna change the color of this first one to a white. The second one, I'm just gonna bring it to a little bit of a lighter gray. And I always like my grays in the blue tones. There we go. And we're just gonna follow this pattern here. These are your project colors, so you can just easily select your project colors once you have them set. And there we are. Now, I'm gonna bring the skull back in. Look at that, amazing. And I'm wondering if we pull some of these dark greens as our background color. So I'm just gonna select the dark green here. Ooh, I'm really liking how that's looking. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna increase my artboard even more. I'm gonna add some text down here. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it. And I'm just gonna say Pencila. Perfect. I'm gonna shrink this. Add it here. Love it. Now I'm gonna add a couple rectangles just to add some elements. It's always nice to add elements in your designs. It helps elevate them. And I'm just going to put another rectangle and see how we have alignment lines, so you can see it's perfectly aligned. And I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Copy this, paste this, and I'm just going to go XX. This a little bit. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Perfect. I like that. Now let me grab all of these elements and shrink them a little bit more so it's kind of matching with the savage. There we go. It's always nice to keep your lines consistent. And I'm going to add some text at the bottom. So let me ask Pencila. Give me a sentence to put at the bottom of a savage shirt. Born to stand out, never to blend in. Love it. Now I'm just going to copy this, paste it, increase the length, and I'm just going to paste that. Shrink this slightly and bring it down. I actually want it to be longer. And I'm just going to change the font to something more basic. Maybe Avo. Perfect. And let's just shrink it a little bit more.
And there you go. You pretty much just did a Pencila crash course. Now, if you ever have any suggestions on our application, please let us know. We want to build this as a community. We just want to build one of the best design apps on the planet.
Also, if you want to further become a Pencila Pro, we highly suggest to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's going to be tutorials coming out weekly there. Now it's time for you to start designing. So jump into the application, create your first design. Your designs are instantly going to get elevated. Our designers have worked around the clock to create some of the most stunning templates. And welcome to the Pencila community. We're super excited to have you here.